Traveling is one of the best experiences in life, but it comes with its fair share of risks. Whether it's a sudden medical emergency, a canceled flight, or lost luggage, unexpected situations can throw off your entire trip. That's where travel insurance comes in. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to figure out which one to go with. Today, we're taking a deep dive into VisitorsCoverage, a well-known travel insurance marketplace that makes it easier to compare plans and find the right coverage. We'll break down what they offer, how they work, and whether it's actually a good deal for travelers just like you. If you've been wondering if VisitorsCoverage is worth using, then stick around. By the end of this review, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether it's the right fit for your next trip. What is VisitorsCoverage? VisitorsCoverage isn't an insurance provider itself. Instead, it's a platform that helps travelers compare insurance plans from multiple companies in one place. Think of it like a one-stop shop for travel insurance, where you can enter your trip details and instantly see different policy options side by side. The company has been around since 2006 and has helped over 2 million people find travel insurance. One thing that sets VisitorsCoverage apart is its focus on simplicity and transparency. So instead of making you dig through pages of fine print, they break down the details in a way that's easy to understand. This makes it a great choice for travelers who don't want to spend hours researching insurance plans, but still want to make an informed decision. However, there's an important catch. VisitorsCoverage doesn't actually handle claims. Since they are a broker, the insurance providers themselves handle any claims or reimbursements. That means your experience with claims will depend on which insurance company you choose through the platform. How does VisitorsCoverage work? Using VisitorsCoverage is pretty straightforward. You start by entering your travel details, where you're going, how long you'll be there, and a few other key details. Once you do that, the website pulls up a list of insurance plans that match your trip. From there, you can compare different options based on coverage, price, and specific benefits. Now, one of the standout features is their comparison tool, which lets you see plans side by side. Instead of having to open multiple tabs or read through pages of insurance jargon, you can quickly compare things like coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions in one place. This makes it much easier to find a plan that fits your budget and your needs. Once you've picked a plan, you can buy it directly through the VisitorsCoverage website. After purchasing, you'll get a confirmation email with all your policy details. You can also manage your policy through their website, which is a nice touch for travelers who want easy access to their documents, whether at home or on the go. What does VisitorsCoverage cover? VisitorsCoverage offers a variety of travel insurance plans, each designed to cover different situations. So let's break them down. Travel medical insurance. One of the most popular types of insurance on VisitorsCoverage is travel medical insurance. This is ideal for people traveling outside their home country who want coverage for medical emergencies. If you get sick or injured while abroad, travel medical insurance can help cover the costs of hospital stays, doctor visits, and even emergency surgeries. Some plans also include coverage for pre-existing conditions, which is great for travelers who need extra peace of mind. However, not all plans offer this, so it's important to check the details before purchasing. Trip insurance. Trip insurance is different from travel medical insurance because it focuses on protecting the cost of your trip rather than medical expenses. If you need to cancel your trip for a covered reason, like an illness, severe weather, or a family emergency, trip insurance can reimburse you for prepaid expenses like flights, hotels, and tours. Many plans also cover trip delays, missed connections, and lost baggage, which can be a lifesaver if your airline loses your luggage or your flight gets canceled at the last minute. Specialty travel insurance. Beyond basic travel and medical coverage, VisitorsCoverage also offers some specialized options. If you're traveling for a specific purpose, like studying abroad, going on a cruise, or applying for a visa, you might need a special type of coverage. Some of these plans include Schengen visa insurance, required for travelers visiting certain European countries. Student insurance, designed for international students studying abroad. Cruise insurance covers trip interruptions, medical emergencies, and unexpected changes to your cruise itinerary. Cancel for any reason insurance. This allows you to cancel your trip for any reason and still get reimbursed, though these plans are usually more expensive. Pros and cons of VisitorsCoverage. Now, no travel insurance company is perfect, and VisitorsCoverage is no exception. So let's go over the main pros and cons, starting with the pros. Now, one of the biggest benefits of VisitorsCoverage is how easy it makes it at comparing travel insurance plans. Instead of visiting multiple websites, you can see all your options in one place and make a decision quickly. The website's user-friendly and the policies are explained in a way that's easy to understand. Another plus is customer support. Visitors Coverage has a reputation for strong customer service, with many reviews highlighting how helpful and responsive the team is. They also offer 24/7 support, which is great if you have questions while traveling. For people who have struggled with filing insurance claims in the past, the Claims Assistance Hub is a very useful tool. While Visitors Coverage doesn't process claims itself, the feature helps connect travelers with their insurance providers and assists in navigating the claims process. On to the cons. So the biggest downside is that Visitors Coverage doesn't process claims. You have to go through the actual insurance provider. This means that if you have a bad experience with an insurer, there's not much Visitors Coverage can do to help beyond pointing you in the right direction. Another thing to keep in mind is that not all plans offer the same level of coverage. Some of the cheaper options come with lower payout limits and higher deductibles, so it's important to read the fine print before buying. So what do customers say? Visitors Coverage has a 4.7 star rating on Trustpilot from over 6,500 reviews, which is pretty impressive. Most reviews mention how easy the platform is to use and how helpful the customer support team is. Many travelers also appreciate how clear the policy details are compared to other insurance websites. Now, that being said, some negative reviews mention frustrations with the claims process, though this is more of an issue with the insurance providers rather than Visitors Coverage itself. A few users have also reported minor website glitches, such as issues adding travelers to a policy. So if you want to get started with Visitors Coverage, we'll have a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and get started. Final thoughts. Is Visitors Coverage worth it? Overall, Visitors Coverage is a great option for travelers who want an easy way to compare insurance plans without getting lost in complicated policy details. The platform's very user-friendly, transparent, and backed by strong customer service. While it doesn't process the claims itself, the Claims Assistance Hub adds value by helping travelers navigate the process. If you're looking for a simple way to find and buy travel insurance, Visitors Coverage is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to research the insurance provider that you choose, as your experience with claims will depend on them. If you're okay with that, then go ahead, click the link down below in the description to get started with Visitors Coverage, as it's a solid choice for making your trip protected. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you use them, we really appreciate it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Insurance Wise, we break down everything you need to know about business, home, travel, auto, and specialty insurance, helping you make informed decisions and find the best coverage for your needs. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.